Let's begin by making sure that we're both looking at the same interface. In the upper right-hand corner, select the Interface dropdown and change the option from Default to 2x3. Then, if it isn't already open, let's open our ProBuilder window by selecting Tools at the top of the screen, then ProBuilder, and then lastly the ProBuilder window. Once open, click the New Shape button. This will give you a variety of geometric options to choose from. We want to create the ground plane in which our marble will move around on. Select the plane option, and then adjust your view. Then, by holding down the left mouse button, drag out a plane. The pivot of an object is indicated by the green, red, and blue arrows emanating from our object. These can also be used to move around our object, but for now we'd like to make sure that it is directly in the center of our object. In the ProBuilder window, click on the Center Pivot button. In our inspector, we can see that the position of our object is not centered, because all of the position values are not set to 3 zeros. Let's do this by clicking the Settings button, indicated by the 3-dot icon located within the Transform component. Then select the Reset button. Notice this resets the position of our object to the center of our world, as indicated by the position being updated by 3 zeros within the Transform component. Next, let's create our marble object. Again, click the New Shape button, then select the Sphere icon. Creating a sphere is a bit different than creating a plane. We will again left-click and drag out the base of our sphere. But once we release our left mouse button, notice that by simply moving our mouse up and down, we can adjust the height of our object. Left-click the mouse again to lock in the shape. Let's press the F key to focus on the sphere. Notice the little blue dots on the top and sides of the sphere. By clicking and holding down the left mouse button on these dots, and then moving our mouse, we can further adjust the height and width of our sphere object. Let's further confirm that we're happy with the shape of the sphere by clicking the Move button in the top taskbar. Similar to our plane, go ahead and reset the position of our sphere. Since both of our objects are colored white, this can give our player a bit of confusion while playing our game. Let's adjust the color of our objects by using a technique called vertex coloring. Vertex coloring is a method in which we can change the color of an object's vertices when it's lit. This is different than other object material or texture manipulation, such as texture mapping. We'll be doing a fair amount of texture and model manipulation throughout this course, so don't be concerned if a lot of the terms I'm using are a bit foreign to you. Within the ProBuilder pop-up, select Vertex Colors. A Vertex Colors pop-up menu will appear. Make sure that your sphere object is selected, and let's assign it the first navy color by clicking the Apply button. Notice our sphere changed color. Next, let's apply the color green to the ground plane. Lastly, let's save our scene as Level 01 by clicking the File menu option at the top left of the taskbar. Then select Save As. In the Explorer window, navigate to your Scene folder. Then give your file the name Level 01, and then click the Save button. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to add physics and collision to our scene.